everyone, it's Stache and welcome back to my cooking channel. But guess what? We're not cooking today. We're doing something a little bit different, but before I get into that, I need for you to do something. Will you please subscribe to my channel and give me a like and a comment too, and then tell all your friends and relatives. Tell everybody, okay? Today, it's a little rough, but I don't know if you can see, but I've let this beard grow and all my gray is coming through. I know, you probably think I'm 16 or 17, but I'm a little bit older than that. So today I'm going to change the color, and I'm going to go from this violet, everybody thinks it's purple, but violet, and I'm going to change it to a different color, but I'm not going to tell you because I want you to stick around and see what happens. So stay there, and soon I'm going to go from this
to this. Wow, that's amazing. Nobody's going to recognize me. Keep on watching, and you're going to find out how to do this to you. Okay? Bye. Adios. Can you believe it? Look at this. Look at this. This is disgusting. Now, what I use is I use Wella Lightener. There you go. Wella Lightener. And then I use a developer, 20 volume developer. And that was to strip out the violet, the purple that was in here. And then I washed it. I only left it on. My God. I don't even think it was a minute. It was on a very short period of time. And it stripped out all that color. And then I washed it really good and dried it. And I didn't put any conditioner on it. So now what we're going to do, you ready for the color? Look at the box. This is what we're going for. I think it's called, look at it, fuchsia. Fuchsia. I'm daring. Okay, now, I know there are professionals out there, and I am not a professional. Don't claim to be a professional. I know a few. There's a good and bad Christina, there's a Stacy. And Bets, of course. How can I forget Bets? I put the color in here. Can you see it? Now, I'm kind of lame, and I have sunglasses on because I can't tolerate you looking at me without wearing sunglasses right now. And I'm going to start putting this on, and I'm probably so blind that I won't be able to see everything here. But I'm going to do my best. So, pardon me. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Look at this. Oh.
See, now I know that they would take it like this and they would lift up underneath that. You know what? That's too hoity-toity for me. I'm going to do it the old heathen way.
Oh my God. This is crazy.
I used to get, when I had the violet, and oh my God, people stopped me all the time. And I don't know what they were all excited about, quite truthfully, because I was born with violet hair. Of course, as I got older and the gray came in, I kind of, had to touch it up a little bit, but, everybody kind of does that. But now I'm going to a color that's not normal for me to wear, and I can't see a damn thing here, honestly. So maybe you could help me. You can leave some comments and you can say, you know what, fool? You're not doing it right. I got more here. The reason why, pardon me, I tried to talk and do this at the same time. I can't even chew gum and walk at the same time. But anyway, the reason why I bleached it is because gray hair is very stubborn. What the heck? I'm just smearing this all over my face because I honestly can't see here. But it's so stubborn that you kind of have to roughen it up a little bit to get it to take the color. Now these colors, I've not used this one before, so I don't know how long the vibrancy is going to last, which is okay. I'm used to doing the violet every 3 to 4 days, and it stays in pretty good. It's not that big of a deal. Now, this one here, I don't know. I'm going to experiment. But I think I'm going to leave it in probably an hour so it really takes good. Takes well. Is that what's the proper English? Oh, I'm getting it on my hands. But since I can't see, I'm just going to smush it in here. You know, oh God, what a mess this is. But you know what? When you're this gorgeous, nothing can ruin your looks. Right? You know that. You know it's true. You know all my fellow beauties out there. We're just so good. One of the things I like to do though too is in a non-professional way, I like to take a comb and just make sure that I've distributed it properly. I'm going to try to use up everything I have in this little container and make sure that it's getting in. Oh, what do you think? Do you think it's my color? Well, we're going to find out, aren't we? We're going to find out. But you know what? I'm game. You get to a certain age in life and you know what? I don't give a what anybody has to say. I'm going to do what I want to do. And so that's what I'm doing. Okay. Wait, you know, I probably didn't get here. There's probably something there that I can't see. But, you know, I'm kind of like crayons when I was a kid and you just draw all over yourself on the walls. That's what I feel like I'm doing. But I think the color looks really good with these sunglasses. So I'm styling already. Look at that. Oh, whoa, oh, I forgot. You know what? I have a mirror standing right here. I am such a fool. Okay. Oh, girl.
Okay. Oh, girl.
Oh, am I cute? Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Okay, I think, let me see. There we go. Okay, oh, look at that. Oh, there. Okay. I'll have a little, I don't know how well this is going to wash out and come off the skin, but I have another little thing that I do to get all that off too. So this is never really a big deal. Okay. Well, when I come back to you, I'm going to leave this on, like I said, for about an hour. Maybe less. I don't know. We'll see. But I'll let you know when I come back how long I left it on for. But what do you think? I think she's pretty. I do. Okay. I will be back in an hour. Hey guys, this is Stache, your new beauty guru. That's right. Look at me. Am I not stunning? Am I not amazing? Look at this. Look at this. Look. Watch. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Ready? Here it comes. Okay, now you have to act like you're ready. For God's sake. Come on. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Whoa. That is Jeffree Star makeup. That's what that is. And look at this. Look at this. You know what? I am now going to do something that people keep asking me, is how do you make your mustache a handlebar mustache? It's fairly easy. It's a little bit difficult. I do have a mirror here, so bear with me. I'll be looking at you, and then I'll be looking over here. I use Got to Be Glued. Got to Be Glued. Not the aerosol. It's kind of cream. Let me show you here. Watch this. There it comes. Oh, yeah. There it goes. Ah! Okay. That's a little bit of it. I take it and I rub it like this together and I incorporate it throughout my mustache, pushing away from the center like this. Like this. See? Like this. That's what you do. Now, let me get a little bit more. And what you will need, first I'm going to take this, my toothless icing. Okay. Just kind of make sure those hairs are coated like that. Let me see. Am I getting it all? Oh God, this looks good, doesn't it? And then my hair dryer. I have some on my fingertips here, and I do this. This is all I do. I twist from the base here. See there? See? Just keep twisting. It'll start drying, and then it goes into shape. And I hold it like this. I probably need to trim it a little bit. One side is done. I'm going to put this down, and I repeat that same step. Push it in here like this. Do the exact same thing. I like to take some of these hairs that I incorporated down here, and I do it like this. That's right. And I kind of pull it a little bit. I elongate and stretch the hair a little bit. Just like that. Now I'm going back in here, right there, and I'm twisting it. So it's getting sticky now. Go back over here. Just like that. There we go. This one here looks a little crazy. I'm going to work with her a little bit more. Just like that. Just hold it like that. I like to push away, so I put my hand behind here, hold it, and then dry it like this. Now, let me tell you something. I went through a lot of trial and error. I bought everything under the sun. You know, mustache wax, all that wonderful stuff. And it didn't work. This stuff works. This stuff works. Do not take a brush when you're done. Do not take a brush like this and do this to it. You will rip your hair out. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't take a comb and do that either. What you do, go to the faucet, take your fingertips under the water, and take it and just start twisting it. Twist, 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 twist with water. And that will lubricate it enough so it can come undone. Now, what I do down here, basically the same thing. And I just play with it until I like what it looks like. That's all you have to do. It's that simple. Now, I can tell that I need to cut my mustache. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this a little bit because I think it's too long and it's not giving me the arch that I would like to have. Now what I'm going to do, I'll go back in. Look at that. People think it takes me forever to do this. It doesn't. It really doesn't. You know, I really want to thank somebody too. He's a hairstylist too, so he gives me tips. His name is Danny, and he's wonderful. And I want to say thank you, Danny. You're wonderful. And look at that. Look at that. There we go. A completed look, so I can go out on the town and everybody is going to notice me. Isn't that wonderful? Okay, guys, now we need to talk. Please subscribe. That's all you have to do. Right below here is just push the subscribe button. And that's all you have to do, and you're subscribed. And then if you press the little bell button, you'll get notifications. It's that easy. Tell your friends, your family, your relatives, your enemies, who knows, whoever it is, tell them about the channel. I would really appreciate it. And tomorrow I'm going to be doing another video. We're going to try to get this one up right away and then another one. We're on a schedule for 2 videos a week. Tell your friends, okay? It's been a pleasure. Hope you enjoyed it. Ciao.